Hey everyone, just posting a very quick video showing you how to get onto the group discussion board if you haven't been able to yet. So this would be a home page for our screen. You can do it from the home page. Technically, this is the module page, so you can click on modules, but it's also our home page. So all you would do is scroll down to the week that we are in, week 11 for this week. We'll still be doing this next week, so week 12 for next week. So as I scroll down, we get to week 11. Our discussion board for week 11, always make sure you're clicking the for the week, which will have information for each week. You click on week 11, discussion board week 11. There is a blue box at the top of the page. This blue box will for you only have your group. Right now, this has all of the groups that are in existence. Because I'm an instructor view, for you as a student, you will in the top only have your group number. Let's say you're in group 3, you'll have group 3. You just click on your group. So if you were in group 4, you would click on group 4 and it immediately takes you to your group's discussion page. This has the question for the week. It has the reply button just as normally would be down there. I'm not going to scroll down since there's already posts on this group's page. You would just post just as normal in this specific discussion board. You can also see on the left here, this changes your options. So now you're in specifically your group. So this would then give you the option to, if you clicked on people, you would see the names of just your group members and you could theoretically email them from there. But for the most part, I'll always link you the way that you just saw. So you will have a link to this page in the module. Every single week when we're in a group discussion board, you'll have a link to the group's discussion board. And let me very quickly show you what I mean by that. If you scroll down a little bit further than week 11, and let's say you went down there, and this link will be available next week for you. That's the full instructions for the assignment. Right now, I want you to go without the full instructions. Like I mentioned, I only gave you limited things. You'll also see a group discussion board that is permanent. This one will always be available because as you're working on it the whole semester, you can communicate with your group. You're more than welcome to communicate with your group through like a text message chain or something like that as well. But you can communicate with your group through this forum that is a permanent forum. The one for week 11, the one for week 12 is only designed for that week because I'm grading it. This one will not be graded other than for participation on your group project at the end as I look for that individual grade. This is something that will be available, the same discussion board for you moving forward from basically now until the end of the semester. So if you were to click on group number 3, right now there's no posts here. So this is the page that you would have and you'd be able to post by clicking reply just like you would for any other discussion forum. If you have questions still, let me know, but it is absolutely imperative that you find out how to access your groups page for the discussion boards, because from here on out, we are going to be working within those groups. If you are not able to do that, you won't be successful for the big assignment for this class. So reach out to me if you can't, but hopefully this screencast will help.